Hello everybody, hope you all having a good day. So in today's video I'm going to talk about one of the most annoying issues in Windows 10, and that's about random freezing. So let's get into it. Alright, the first method in order to fix this problem is actually the most simple and effective way, and it's rolling back your Windows 10 to a previous version. In order to do so, you'll go to Settings, Update and Security, then go to Recovery option. And from here, you can see it saying go back to the previous version of Windows 10. You just click on Get Started. But sometimes you can't do it because after you upgrade your Windows, then the previous version of Windows is being stored for only 10 days. And after 10 days, your system will delete the files. All right. The second method in order to fix random freezing is to update your outdated drivers. In order to do so, you just go to Control Panel. From here, you should make sure it's on large icons, and then you go to Device Manager. It's right here. And from here, you can see a bunch of installed drivers on your system. For example, to upgrade your display adapter, you just go here. Mine is like Intel. Double click on it. From here, you go to driver, and you can see a bunch of options here. You just click on Update Driver and select the first one. Search automatically for drivers. Next method in order to fix random freezing is that to check your RAM and see if it works properly or not, because a faulty RAM can cause serious problems to your system. In order to do so, you just go to search, type run, bring it up. From here you just type mdsched.exe. Just click OK, and you just click on the first one, restart now, and check for problems. And then you will see if you have a faulty RAM or not. It can help a lot. If your RAM has serious problems, then the only option that remains is to replace it with a new one. Next method for fixing this problem is to reset your virtual memory. And before that, let me explain. Virtual memory is something that compensates lack of your RAM. It actually combines the RAM itself and a hard disk partition. In order to do so, you just go to Settings, you go to System, About. From here, click on Advanced System Settings. You just go to Advanced option, and from the Performance box, click on Settings. Then go for Advanced. You can see Virtual Memory box here. Click on Change. Uncheck this box and then check Custom Size, and make sure your C drive, I mean the drive that your Windows is installed on, is selected. From here, you need to set initial size and maximum size. For this one, you just set it to whatever the number is here. Mine is 2080. I just set 2080. And for maximum size, it actually depends on you, but it's very important. You must only increase it up to 1.5 times of your RAM size. For example, if your RAM size of your RAM is 4 gigabytes, then you can only increase it. I mean, it's suggested to increase it up to 6 gigabytes. All right. For the next method, you need to make sure that your disk drive, I mean the drive that your Windows is installed on, is working properly. In order to do that, you just go to this PC. From here, you right click on your Windows drive and go to Properties. From here, select Tools. You can see this box here, Error Checking. Just click on Check, and it takes some time, but it's gonna like give you a clue whether your hard drive is working properly or not. Another thing that can help you a lot is to remove temporary files. Just type run, bring it up. From here, type temp, just click on continue. You can see all of your temporary files here. Just select all of them, Control A, and press Shift and delete, and then click yes. But remember, when you do so, it will say like some items cannot be deleted. Just leave them as they are. Okay. For this method, you just have to disable link state power management. What it does is that, link state power management is a power saving mechanism. So obviously, if you disable it, it's going to help a lot. For doing so, you just go to Control Panel, Large Icons, select this. Just click on Power Options. Here before doing so, you just go to Create a Power Plan and select High Performance. And that's going to help a lot. But if you already have one, I mean High Performance Power Plan, then just click on Settings, then change Advanced Power Settings, and from here just look for this, then this one, and set them all to off. Okay, so sometimes your network adapters, if they don't work properly, they can cause some issues, especially in case of random freezing. In order to fix that, you just click on this icon, then select Network and Internet Settings. From here, click on Change Adapter Options. You can see all your installed adapters here. Just close the window and click on Network Reset. And from here, select Reset Now. And don't worry about it. It will just uninstall your network adapters and at the same time will reinstall them again and restores them to their default state. But don't worry, as I said, but just keep in mind, after resetting, you just need to restart your Windows as well. Alright, and for the final method, all you have to do is to turn off your device's location. I know it seems weird, but trust me, it's gonna help a lot. Just go to Settings and go to Privacy. From here, select Location. Click on Change and turn it off. That's it. Right, that's it. Hopefully, these methods will help you to fix your freezing issue. And if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments. And if you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, peace.